Good morning. This is call number 2021-71566 in the interest of Jaylene, Bella, Liam, and David Pettis. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship to these children.
Valerie Salas, and I'm mother to all of them.
All right, and representing the state of Texas Attorney General.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kavita Sharma.
The court will note that the non-custodial parent is David Pettis. Mr. Pettis was personally served on February 2nd, 2022 at 8:19 a.m. at 2038 Maple Chase Crest Drive in Spring, Harris County, Texas. And he has not made an appearance or filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
Correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge. I would like to call Ms. Valerie Salas. And Ms. Salas, we have before the court 4 children, correct?
Yes.
And who is the children's father?
David Perez.
How do you know he's the father?
Because we were together at the time for all of them.
And you're asking the court to name him as the biological father of all 4 children?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to appoint you and Mr. Perez as joint managing conservators of the children?
Yes.
And to your knowledge, do you know where Mr. Perez does visits with the children?
He doesn't do visits. The 3 times he has picked them up, he's picked them up twice from his mom's house and once from mine.
And do you have any problem with him picking the children up at your home?
No.
And are you asking the court to order a standard visitation every other weekend with the children?
Yeah, that's fine with me.
And do you know where Mr. Perez is currently working?
Since we separated, I've known that he doesn't have like an actual job.
And what date did you all separate?
It was, I think, August like 22nd or 23rd
And
of
What
2020.
year, ma'am? What year?
2020.
August of 2020.
Yeah, August of 2020.
And since you all separated, do you know if Mr. Perez has any other children?
Yeah, I know he has one.
And how old is that child?
The baby's one month, about 1
No,
month.
he just had a baby.
Yes, ma'am.
And how are your children covered under health insurance?
They have Medicaid.
And are you in agreement to maintain that health insurance for the children?
Yeah.
And are you asking the court to order Mr. Perez reimburse that at $87 a month beginning June 1?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand the $87 is based on minimum wage, considering we don't have employment information for Mr. Perez?
Yes, I understand.
And you agree to pay for any uncovered health costs equally with Mr. Perez?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to set child support also based on minimum wage in the amount of $340 beginning June 1?
Yes, that's fine.
And when you all separated in August, are you asking the court to order back child support from August 1 of 2020 to today, May 23rd of 2020?
Yes, ma'am.
And that amount that you're asking for back support is in the amount of $7,480. And you're asking the court to order that at $88 a month?
Yes.
And have you reviewed and read this order today?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
In addition to child support, if there are court costs billed, do you want the court to order Mr. Perez pay that?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted.